Hey, did you know 8 out of 10 people set New Year's resolutions that involve their health? Hey, you're the best healthcare provider. That means 80% of your patients are setting New Year's resolutions coming up in January to have better health and hopefully for them and their family. Do you know what those resolutions are going to be? Hey, on December 4th at 6 p.m. Pacific time, we're giving the New Year patient explosion systems where you can get into the mindset of your patients. You can get into the mindset of the calendar and the whole world and literally create a step by step blueprint. I can give you a step by step blueprint of how to get these resolutions and turn them into reality. You literally can transform the health of your patients, their family members, and their friends. All these people that set New Year's resolutions can pour into your clinic in January. Click on the link below, get registered, because on Wednesday, December 4th at 6 p.m. Pacific time, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, how to keep them committed through the holidays, and then explode in January and have a transformational first quarter of January 2025. Don't think, just click, get registered, and we're going to show you a system that has helped many doctors have the best first quarter of their year of their life. Click on the link below. I'll see you there.